Yes, but anything that is hindering your growth is an enemy.
Yo.
Anything that is hindering your growth is an enemy, including your partner.
Yeah.
What if sometimes there is a character le yena anayo? Let's say for example, uyazazi yena ukuthi akathembekanga. So uqabanga kwangathi uma uthatha lama opportunity uzofana na uzoyenza lento yena bekazo naye uma ekusola ngobufebe uyafeba. Mina that's why but I'm gonna be honest with you.
Sure.
Mina yabo le respect uthi baba ban angizwa irrespect mina ngi-interpreter in my absence wenzani. Every time when you're about to do something big or great, do not announce it to some of your family members. Yabona mfowethu ungaze kufike into ngaphakathi kuwena uma ekucasula lo wesifazana ngoba acasulana. Uma ekucasula kungaze kuvela into ethi mshaye miyeke. Are you aware but kunabantu abashade nezitha zabo? Yo. Umuntu akushade ngoba ekuzonda. Kunabantu abashade nezitha zabo. Umuntu akushade hayi ngoba ekuthanda kodwa akushade ngoba ekuzonda. Hey, akushadela ukuzokulimita from growing. So mang nawe I breathe life. I breathe love. How ngaba Shakespeare?
Shakespeare.
Greetings South Africa. This is Amadoda Anyagaza Sumuzi. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagaza Sumuzi, a platform where iqiniso aselfihli into sikhuluma injalo. Iyazisho lento mvangeli ithi Real Talks. Buda.
Sure mbundo vethu right vethu.
Okay.
Njoba soshile lento iyazisho Real Talk.
Yeah.
Ukuthi it's a truth elingokho filtered.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Because at our time kunabo social media whereby bantu basebenzisa ama app. So umuntu in real life umnyama.
Yeah.
But manje mama filter menza bemhlophe yabo. So thina la sikhuluma into oyibona real. Sibingelele lonke South Africa, sibusiso mango lona bafowethu. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu man. Thank you so much for those who are subscribing and also for those who are liking. We see you guys and we appreciate you guys. Siyabonga. Ngiyambona noMabunda la, he can't wait ukuthi vele si Real Talk.
No, yeah. I'm forever looking forward to this platform. By the way, non-international community
sure.
Mhlaba wonke jikelele, not only in South Africa, viewers in Netherlands, viewers UK, viewers United States of America, and everywhere where this video it's reaching. Sanibingelela ngathi ningathi sibingelela abantu base South Africa.
Yeah.
Phela we are international.
Yeah,
you never know.
Yeah, no.
You never know. You never know. You never know. Yeah. Puti, you're on episode number 5.
No, we are cooking, man.
How has your experience been shooting this particular Real Talk, starting from scratch, using whatsoever means that we have? What is it that you have learned so far from the past 5 episodes, or this is the 5th episode, from the past 4 episodes that we did, from the Responde Abantu to you yourself? How have you been feeling?
It has grown me, man.
Yeah.
I don't know as long as I'm say right.
Yes,
inkhulisile, but in terms of the wisdom that we share here. You know, sometimes when sikhuluma la ngithi ngiyibheka, I'm like, nkulunkulu, did I say that? Yeah, but so nami young benefiter. And also, man, Poti, as we starting, both of us we are hands on. I edit nanani, so ne editing skill yam umoya ngcolo yangisiza yakhula kancane. So mfethu, like, I'm so excited about this journey. Yeah.
No man, Poti, thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
I know normally those kind of speeches we make them when it's 100 say 1,000 views nani. But me, Poti, I want to appreciate you for being the brother that you are. I want to appreciate your consistency and making sure that you continue to it's out there. We know you spend a lot of nights busy editing. Appreciate you for doing that work.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, man.
I thought I should say that.
Yeah,
you know?
No. Even nabo futhi bakhulume. No, it humbles me. It's okay.
Hey, somebody bring a tissue, please. No, man. Puti, namhlanje I wanted us to talk about something.
Sure.
Very important, no? Into your competition.
Sure.
Kuma relationships. You are someone that is very popular when it comes to topic of relationship.
Sure.
I'm not interviewing you, I'm just having a conversation with you. I'm phone feel wangati interview. It's a conversation that I want us to have today. You are someone that is popular when it comes to giving relationship advice.
Sure.
And then sometimes there are people that call you to ask about relationship advice. Have you ever at some point encountered a couple maybe or someone that says, "Yazi put this book ngo relationship nomuntu engithandana naye ngifila kwangathi uku competition nami akafuni ukungibona ngikhula or yonke into that has to do with me growing, whether it's the guy that wants to improve himself, the lady does not want that, whether it's the you get what I'm saying, those kind of dynamics, or someone that is in a family wise obona kwangathi ama siblings wakhe abamcongratulate kodwa bayamonela instead yokuthi bayamseke balwa naye. Ever encountered such things?
Yeah, but this is real, man. Into ekhona le.
Yeah.
Whereby umuntu akumonele uthandana naye. You understand? And of which is a bad thing.
Put.
Okay, let me explain but ukuthi yini umona.
Sure.
As we exceed and go.
Sure.
Umona buti masichaza umona makuthi umuntu nomona.
Sure.
Kusho ukuthi lo muntu uthi lento ekwehlakalelayo
sure
noma le breakthrough onayo
sure
uyena emfanele not wena
sure.
It's more like uthi it was not supposed to be you
but
it was supposed to be me.
Sure. Ngiyakuzwa.
Now bese lo muntu ayakumonela kungeni hate man.
Sure.
You understand? Because
sure.
Una that mentality, una that it's a syndrome ukugula. That is why but we cannot separate umona no Satan.
Sure.
Because I believe ukuthi uSatan igene lakhe lokucala umona.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And put it to expand our talk, man.
Sure.
There are two different kind of jealousy.
Sure.
Kukhona lengicede ukuyichaza.
Sure.
Bese kuba khona leyo ukuthi nginomona ngawe. I wanna see you succeed.
Yeah.
You understand? I jealous end. You understand? Whereby umuntu wakho you know ukuthi okay akasebenzi.
Sure.
And nje umuntu wakho angasebenzi mfethu wena uyasebenza.
Sure.
Every opportunity that comes.
Sure.
Uyazi ukuthi ngiyamsearchela ngiyamfunelwa umsebenzi nani sana sam lapha ya kunento so nginomona ukubona usuffering khona.
Sure.
So I need to help you.
Yeah.
But yona but umona ongozi ilo ukuthi sibe sithandana but wena ungijelasela.
And it's amazing but uthola ukuthi ke kunomuntu kumanje oqeda ukuthenga imoto and manje the partner is not even happy or excited for the car.
Sure.
Or uqeda ukuthola promotion emsebenzini but the partner is not happy ukuthi uthola promotion emsebenzini. Instead yokuthi congratulate uya crash. Uthola ukuthi you're with someone in the relationship but uthola ukuthi you're not growing as an individual because there is a stumbling block of your partner. And at the end of the day sometimes mawubuza why is this stumbling block only to find out ukuthi lo mjida lona or lo sisi lona insecure. Angazi if it makes sense. And a project ama insecurity akhe kuwe so that wena ungaphumeleli. Uthola ukuthi uthola umsebenzi in a new province and you're like bra we can make this thing work and this is how we're gonna work but ngenxa ye insecurity yokusaba nokungazithembi yena as umuntu ngoba kubhlungu futhi ukuthandana nomuntu ongayithembi yena.
Yazi futhi lento oyishoyo it's something real ikhona. Whereby kuvuka opportunity uNkulunkulu avula umnyango othize.
Sure.
But because you've got insecure partner.
Sure.
Lo muntu athi no don't take that thing.
But
uyayizwa lento.
Ngiyayizwa lento.
And kube kuNkulunkulu akusiuSathane. But let me tell you something. When sikhuluma about ukuthi people are couples or people are partner.
Sure.
Which mean puti you are having okay okushuthi you have back to each other.
Yeah.
Okushuthi
each other's back.
Awuzweke. Okushuthi ukuphumelela kwakhe uphumelela kwami.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Why am I saying but ukuthi ibanga insecurity lento?
Yeah.
It's because unalento ukuthi uma ngabe wena ungaphumelela uyothola abanye bese uyamshiya.
Yo.
So but ukuhlala nomuntu onjalo mina if angaconvinceki mshiye baba.
Yo. Waze wahash mshiye. Hey mama.
I know but Mabunda.
Yeah.
Asikhuluma iqiniso mfethu.
Yes but
anything that is hindering your growth is an enemy.
Yo. Anything that is hindering your growth is an enemy, including your partner.
Yeah.
Hey,
But let me say this thing. Hey, Poti,
please call it over enemy.
But let me be honest with you.
Yeah.
Impilo inzima.
You sure?
We are fighting the devil every day.
Sure.
Abanye osathane basemsebenzini.
Sure.
Abanye osathane abangani bethu.
Sure.
Abanye osathane baku family member.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Ibhlungu but ngiyakubona uzunyakasa nomlomo ibhlungu injalo.
Yakuza injalo but yeah.
Here's the truth baba.
Yes but.
Have kubhlungu usulwe zonke lezi zimpo ilwayo. Uthi masofika ekhaya la qosa uphumulele khona kumfazi wakho indoda yakho. Utholakala naye ukuthi nayi enemy. You are exhausted fighting the world.
Sure.
Uthi masofika ekhaya nasekhaya kuyaliwa. No, a home should be a place of rest. And I've discovered as I grow ukuthi I thought home is a building. Can home can be a person.
That's true.
Let's go deep.
That's true. Home is a person. You know, there's something that I wanted to say when coming to indaba yama insecurities.
Sure.
And indaba yokuthi why omunye umuntu angavuni uma kuvela ama opportunity especially your partner angavumi sahamba isizulu Nkosi yami angavumi when your partner angavumi ukuze uthatha amanye ama opportunity. What if sometimes there is a character le yena anayo? Let's say for example uyazazi yena ukuthi akathembekanga. So uqabanga kwangathi uma uthatha lama opportunity uzofana na uzoyenza lento yena bekazoyenza. Angazi if it makes sense. Uthola ukuthi this particular person uyazazi ukuthi yena akekho faithful one or uyazazi yena ukuthi ama opportunity ayamhlanyisa akhohlela qale khona. As a result uyasaba ukuthi wena waphumelela, you gonna become like them. Bagcine bavale uthola ukuthi manje awusakhona esikolweni, manje awusakhona ukuspana simply because of unomuntu insecure.
No. You know lento oyishoyo budi, it's what we call some people project ububona ubu evil babo to you.
Yes sir.
Because legama ethi project kusho ukuthi I original screen.
Yeah.
Igle oyibukayo but I-project inkulu ikuvezele lento oyibona la but in a bigger picture.
Sure.
So even nabantu esuke sithandana nabo maka insecure.
Sure.
Naye umekusola ngobufebe uyafeba.
Hey,
but I'm sorry, but I've just said.
No, you just said it. You might as well drop the mic.
Because putting zwe kahle mfethu.
Sure.
Ilento ishoyo into mangabe uyazazi ukuthi uyabheda, uyazazi ukuthi uyayenza.
Sure.
Mangekho partner wakho uyaganga.
Sure.
Obvious naye makahamba uyotshothi yoganga, uyotshothi yokwenza lento wena oyenzayo. Mina that's why but I'm gonna be honest with you.
Sure.
Mina yabo le respect uthi baba bani angizwa. I respect mina ngi interpreter in my absence wenzani. If you gonna respect me in my absence, that's a true definition of respect.
That's true.
But mawuthi baba nana ungigucela ungilethela amanzi my foot. Yeah, because here's the thing Mabunda.
Sure.
Umuntu angakugucela
sure
physically but enhlizweni uma ngeenyawo.
I hear you. You know speaking about lento le yama insecurities and also yokuthi yomona. Do you know angazi I came across a very painful video put. I don't know who is this lady and I don't know when did I watch this video. But it was a video of umuntu esifazane oye wathenga imoto wathi ayovakasha kibo. Wathi magavuka athola ukuthi la kufaka khona ipetrol kufaka umhlabathi namanzi. makathi uyacheck ngibani ofakela amanzi baba omncane phakathi ku petrol my imoto we manje imoshekile simply because of someone, a family member decided to feel like wena you are not worth the blessing that you have. Afaka amanzi, afaka ipetrol, phakathi kulento yokufaka ipetrol akuthola khona ipetrol, and they did those things. Why? Because of umona, it's a real thing, more especially even among siblings. But uthola ukuthi but uyofuna umsebenzi ngelanga lelinkosi yofuna umsebenzi ngalo ama CV yanyamalala uzibuze ayephi or ID nyamalala or kulahlekeze kanti it's the very same person who is a family member who's not excited for you to get a job. Both of you were job hunting, but afile kwangathi wena akufanele uenjoy leso sibusiso.
Hey yo but yangizisa ubhlungu lento eshoyo yazi but you know what when we sikhuluma la,
yeah,
there are dimensions uNkulunkulu that shows me about reality.
Sure.
Yabona wali yakhuluma kuvuka into kumina ethi uma ngaba abantu sebahlulekile ukukuloya,
yeah,
bakulanda live.
Yo,
because I believe ukuthi lo muntu lo okuthi omunye athenga imoto,
sure,
bese nafaka umhlabathi,
sure,
shothi kwamzama kwelikamoya wahluleka sekamlanda live. Or sometimes abantu abakulanda live bahlulekile ukukuthakatha, ingakho sebakulanda physical ngenyama.
Yazi lento ingenza body ngigcine ngikhulume something nge-release statement sokuthi,
sure,
every time when you're about to do something big or great, do not announce it to some of your family members.
Hey.
Every time when you're about to do something big or great, awungayi-announce kuma-family member.
Akayi-announce seyenza kalini.
Futhi akangayi-announce, abayibone seyidla. Baba, emango ungatshela umuntu ukuthi uyothenga imoto, abakubona uzongena ngayo. Bathi awusasitshela ukuthi no nami ngithi ngangithi ngiyothenga isinkwa ngayibona ngayithanda ngayithenga. Kanti uyazi you've been saving it for 5 months,
yeah,
or so it's been time. Ngoba kunabanye bhuti uzobatshela ukuthi I'm planning to do this. Trust me, the day ubatshela uthi ngifuna ukuyakha, ngifuna ukuyothenga, that's the very same day ngeke kwenzeke lo. Ngoba but ubuthakathi akusingemithi kuphela, bayathakatha nangenhliziyo. Uze umuntu athoke sibone ukuthi uzoyenza yini. Kanjalo sekakuthakathile angazange ahlanganisa umuthi nanani. Ngoba futhi kunabantu ukuthi njengoba ula somewhere kunomuntu ofila ngathi le fame onayo manje lo uNkulunkulu agrace ngayo I deserve.
Sure.
Somewhere, and some of them told you it's childhood friends, people that you grew up with, and you thought that you want to see what's best for all of us, but bafile kwangati what belongs to you should have been for them.
Yazi buti yangizophinde kunikeze buti.
Sure.
Yazi buti mina ngikunento nje ngiyibonile mangiloko ngikhula. But umona ufihleki.
Hey.
And mina
Chief, say that again.
Umona ufihleki buti. But and I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu owenza ukuthi umona ungafihleki.
Yo.
But uThixo uyasinikeza ama hint nithi biza nama red flags.
Yeah, ama red flags.
But ubona ngokuthi uthenga nje isicathulo, simple isicathulo.
Sure.
Uyawazi ama label.
Yeah.
Singaw advertise.
Yeah.
Uthi masothenga isicathulo athi uboleko ubani?
Yo. Umona.
And uqala isicathulo. Awushona you don't akukufanele ukuthi uyothenga, ufuna uyoboleka.
Sure.
Umona. Uthi drive imoto mhlambe into yokuqala uboleke ubani le moto?
Yo.
But because but abantu sibathanda kakhulu. And uthando luvale. Mina I believe but bonke abantu abathakathwa nabantu abafela umoya abafela izinto zabo. There was a hint, signs uNkulunkulu amkhomba bathi mayikhuluma kanje nakanje. But because we love them too much, even our partners, bhuti, even our partners bhuti, thola nje success nyana encane angakujabuleli.
You know Mango, there's something that I want to say when you say that, to say stop being in denial when someone reveals their true colors. Ngoba abantu, do you know, like sometimes sithanda abantu kakhulu to a point that when they do something that is out of character, we refuse to believe that it's them.
It's them.
Ngamanye amagama, like umuntu, and I'll say this thing and I'll repeat it again and again.
Sure.
To say abantu abanomona banayo lento yokusebenzisa ama jokes uku express. Ngamanye amagama umuntu ahlekise ngento ucede ukuyithenga kanti umona lo uyakhombisa uzothi for example ufika kumngane wakho yo yazi sebangiqashile ade hey wena so yasibona ukuthi your last yini kanti inhliziyo yakhe yam expose
sho buti
umona but uqinisile umona awufihleki
umona awufihleki yazi buti kuze ngibone mina ukuthi umona awufihleki nguze ngibone nje ukuthi umona awufihleki into yokucala that I've noticed and I've realized ukuthi abantu abanjalo akusange uzama uba convince ukuthi bangakumoneli.
Sure.
But the only thing, as much as I'm harsh, walk away.
Repeat it.
Walk away. Because man, there's one thing put that I ngiyazi. Yonke into iyakhula.
Hey.
Buti angeke umona uphelele ezicathulweni. Angeke umona uphelele ukuthi uthenga indlu. If you continue to keep them, uyakhula next time bakufakela upoison.
Buti,
you are dead, baba.
Buti.
Because ungizwe kahle. Here's the thing about God.
Sure.
The more abantu bekumonela uyakuphakamisa. Ask Joseph.
And the more phakama the more inhliziyo zabo zibabhlungu.
More accelerator la nangale ke accelerate.
Do you know ukuthi amongst women uya exista umona?
How Buti?
And uthola ukuthi you are this type of a lady. But there is a very thin line between a psycho and someone that really loves you. Very thin line between the two. Kunomehluko between umuntu inspirayo nomuntu onemona okujelezelayo because of notice something. Do you know kunomuntu ozogcoka njengawe? Hayi ngoba ekuthanda. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ufuna uku-attract indoda yakho. Ngamanye amagama ukhalela imoto onayo, akhalele indlu oyidrivayo, akhalele your lifestyle as a person. Now aqine azenze wena so that azo attracta lempilo wena unayo. Kunabantu besifazana namhlanje balahlekelwa amadoda abo. A whole married woman lost her husband to a woman who was a friend but onemona ngayo. I don't know if it makes sense.
Makes sense.
Some of you umona nuthola emsebenzini. Kwakuthi uclose. For you don't need to be close to the boss for you to be hated at work. You just need to be good at what you do. Eputi abantu abanomona mfethu abanamona for izinto enkulu. No. Kwakuthi you are good at what you do. Ngoba kunabantu puti that are so in love with being incompetent to a point that when they see people that are competent and that are good at what they do, they hate them. Ngamanye amagama umuntu puti enjoys us being at a mediocre level. Kahle akafuni uexcel. The minute to excel, you become an enemy to them.
Buti awubambela hey mfethu this is powerful man.
Okay. Sizawulayita lapho.
Okay, no ngicheka ngalo ukuthi ngisho sina camera.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah. You know Buti kulento oyishoyo.
Sure.
Ngambuleleka ukuthi akusibo bonke abantu abasondela kuwena.
Sure.
Ngoba bekuthanda.
Sure.
Abanye basondelela ukuzokubulalela eduzana.
Hayiphinde mfokama.
Akusibo bonke abantu abasondela kuwe ngoba bakuthanda.
Sure.
Bayabona mabakude ngebaqede ngawe.
Kodwa kose
basondele bazokuqedelela eduzana.
Sure.
Eputi umuntu obulala uJesu bekangekho kude.
Bekangekho kude.
But uJudas was here.
Sure.
uPeter was here.
Sure. Do you know when you say that Peter was here, Judas was here? Are you aware ukuthi kunabantu abashade nezitha zabo?
Yo,
Umuntu akushade ngoba ekuzonda.
bakhona abantu abanye.
Yeah, bakhona. Akushade not out of love. Kunabantu abashade nezitha zabo. Umuntu akushade hayi ngoba ekuthanda, kodwa akushade ngoba ekuzonda.
Hey.
Akushadela ukuzokulimita from growing. Yeah. Sengishilo.
Oh, but asivale le real talk. Amaqinisa akhulunywa la. So we have such thing in this world.
Puti, do you know ukuthi uyakhona ukushada umuntu athi akubone you're doing well in your career, you are excelling, you're good at what you do, and abone futhi ake siyithathe la. Do you know when we were in high school and there was a lady that we saw that she's good at what she does, and siyambona muhle, siyambona she's wise, she's intelligent, umjida ke uthola ukuthi yena akekho gifted ngokwengcondo nakwesikole. Kufike i-conversation ethi bra lo muntu lo next year uye varsity and bayomthola le phambili, for you not to lose her mphrekise.
Yo, yazi put
Amphrekise hayi ngoba emthanda, kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ukumgcina kuze angaye varsity. So if boys can impregnate you to stop you from going to varsity, what is it that will stop them from marrying you for wrong reasons?
Hey Puti, as you've answered me ndoda. As bengizibuza Puti, why la majida high school thathi ngisafunda. Thothi umjida khona udom, sorry to use the word.
Sure.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, he's not gifted here.
Yeah.
But athanda no Cherry Mfethu shama distinction.
Usibuze how come? Usibuze ukuthi how come? Kanti inkinga akusuthando man.
It's not love.
It's not love. Some they are good in manipulating. Hey, Puti, you know, like there is a difference. There is a time whereby someone loves you, and but it becomes dangerous when they become obsessed with you. Yabona Puti ne angali Puti ne to say love is a beautiful thing, but ungazo uthi I can't live without you.
No, put mat I can't live.
No, mama, there are people who live for real.
Put let me explain. But I can't live without you, Bashuktin.
But defend. I love sir.
No, sir.
I love you. No, explain it. You're trying to defend yourself. Who knows who's watching? Yeah. Okay.
But it's good to be in love. Sometimes. Yeah.
Okay.
When you're in love, you're in love. Man.
Okay.
And that feeling brings butterfly.
Okay, Chief. Okay. Yeah. Explain what it means.
Umuntu athi I cannot live without you.
Yes, sir.
Lo muntu let me try to get into my mode.
I'm listening.
Okay.
Sure.
When someone is saying, I can't live without you.
Hey, you're so shy, man.
Let me explain, man.
This message is directed to someone out there.
No, I'm not nkulekela. Nkulumela.
Okay.
Nkulumela for those abake baba ku position yami.
Okay.
Yebo.
Yeah.
But mabathi I can't live without you.
Yes, sir.
Issue ayisho ukuthi angikhona ukuphila lokuphila ngife.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okusho ukuthi I can't live without wena to face life.
Okay.
I need to face life with you. I need to be with you. You are a good person. So mang nawe I breathe life. I breathe love. How ngaba Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
But you understand?
I understand.
Yeah, so when
understand.
someone says I can't live without you, then it's ileyonto, because I believe mina but ukuthi uma uthandana nomuntu, there are some things that you face.
Yeah.
There are some troubles and difficulties.
Yeah.
But guess what? Ningcobe zonke lezi
Because of
ukhona eduzane kwakho, you understand?
Yeah.
And have kumnandi but ukuthi ninomuntu wakho nithandane niface izimpi.
Sure.
But after all izimpi mase indlulile, you still love each other.
Yeah.
Because kunabantu ukuthi noma kufika izimpi othandweni.
Sure.
Izimpi zindlule nothando lwabo. That is why put mina ngizwe kahle mfethu anginandaba ukuthi makusese right kuthiwa nidla o chocolate nidla nama Danone. Yeah, when the love is red. No, that one uthando li testwa in troubles and trials.
Bude Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Let me explain in my context.
Sure.
When I was speaking about the I can't live without you. The dangerous one.
Sure.
Do you know Puti kunomuntu, it's not a problem to check up on your person. It's not a problem to be updated kuthi umuntu akho kuphi. But there is this check upping insecure. Loyo muntu uyambona ukuthi akakufoneli ngoba ukukhumbulile. Ukufonela ngoba akakuthembi.
Yo.
That I can't live without you, that kind. La khona ke I'm sorry khona omunye nje angeke ngimbize ngegama. La khona ke u video call khona just to confirm ukuthi unobani kuphi. Angazi if it makes sense. That kind of love that makes a person to rock up at your workplace without telling you that they are coming. Not from a romantic gesture. But from a point of trying to monitor are you indeed at work. Angazi if it makes sense. That is the kind of a love that I wanted to address. Dangerous.
Yeah.
I can't live without you. Ngoba it's that kind of a love whereby you completely lose yourself and who you are, and you embody the person that you're in a relationship with, but in a dangerous way. Because you cannot be in love, and being in love makes you to lose a certain portion of yourself. But do not lose completely yourself. Because of if you lose, here's a tricky part, but I often say abantu bazothi umabunda akafuna marriage, ngiyafuna ama relationship, but I often say puti uma ungena ku relationship or you enter into marriage, somehow no matter how much you may wish that thing can last, you are not in charge of it. The other person can wake up tomorrow and say I'm leaving, and then magathi uyahamba, and wena you don't know who you are with outside of that person. What do? You rather go and get a gun and kill those people because bahamba in a certain portion of yourself. So there is a certain kind of love that is there in our generation. It's dangerous.
Aphinde futhi ayithandazele ne relationship yabo yakhe lo muntu. As much as I expect ukuthi kusenonze akushiye, but pray for a
relationship. Yeah.
But you know have kubhlungu ukuthi ifoni yakhe icime thothi uthandana nomuntu. Icime out of the blue icime. O mhlawumbe ibattery lenzakale something. Kanti endlini kukude. Maybe endlini yofika after 2 hours or 1 hour or 3 hours. Or ifoni decide ukungavuleki.
Iwe maybe.
Iwe or iphuka iscreen. Ave kubhlungu ukuthi mayesezokuthola the only thing emwarisayo athi bona ubani. But kunokuthi ngabe athi right u safe na. That is why puti ibhlungu lento. But uma ngabe uzongena ku relationship nomuntu olimele when upholile uyo end up na usulimala ngoba nomuntu olimele
ufela izona kungezona ezakho.
Because but I want like ibhlungu. The only thing umuntu ayibambayo makayibamba ifone ukuphi? Bona ubani? Are you okay? Are you safe? Are you safe now? That's toxic, man.
The only thing that they assume manga tholakale phone you are cheating.
And losikhatha ukwazi wamchithela. leso sikhathi awukwazi wenza ini unless that partner has done something to you.
It's
wrong, it's understandable,
but angazange enzanga lutho nje.
No, but that's why I question such. That's why I get to love psycho, but I won't lie.
Psycho.
And then I don't know if it's land kanjani.
No, I don't know how we.
Yeah, but real talk. That's the thing.
It's unscripted. Yeah.
Put it. I won't lie to you. That's unhealthy, man.
I think our generation is not ready to talk about the dangers of being in an unhealthy relationship because of there is no relationship that is gonna make you happy if you're not happy with yourself.
With yourself, yeah.
So now, sithola two unhappy people. Ango happy being alone. Now I'll go happy being alone. But I'm relying on you to make me happy. Kanti somehow I need to find a way for me to be well and happy, so that mangidibana nawe now well or happy, then ijoy ayiveli kulento siyenza. If it kudibana two people that are happy, angazi if it makes sense. So the danger that we are in our generation is that here's why. At some point, I understand why God said sex before marriage is a sin, and why God beangafuni in our generation for us to meet. When people get married, both of them they should be virgins.
Yeah, that's it.
The danger then comes in our generation where ulale nalo walala nalo or you experience this guy, you experience
different
that
people.
Guy, different people. Now ama characters kasipho mawudibana no cause mawudibana no
yeah, now cause ukona
cause cause ne ma mntombi ndibana no cause ma uthatha ama experience wakho no kamntombeni wa project ku cause kanti u cause akayona lento lo, you get what I'm saying. So Bafethu, be careful out here.
Sesiyayivala. Yeah, atisibone la selengaki. I was still safe.
Asina time keeper phela.
Hey Nkosi yami.
Yeah, but let's continue talking.
Yeah. As but kunenye into ithintile.
Yes sir.
And njengoba uyithinta it makes me ukuthi angandluli kuyona leyo nto.
Yeah.
But I was still safe. Na iphone ngasavuleki manje. Yeah, but
but are we no longer safe?
We are no longer
2
safe.
minutes left.
2 minutes left.
Take it 3 minutes, then we are out of here.
We've misinterpreted uthando. Sal misinterpret uthando.
Sure.
Do you know ukuthi kunabantu ukuthi ubelievela ukuthi kufuna shaywe indoda?
No.
So leyo ndoda yamthanda.
If akamshayanga kathando.
And siswami that's wrong. Umuntu angaza kubeka isandla and ungizwe kahle bhuti.
Sure.
That's why ngithe mangicala ukukhuluma la ngathi mina yonke into iyakhula.
Sure.
Bonke abashaywayo abahlukunyezwayo uthandweni waqala ngempama e1. Yalandela yaba yi2. Kwalandela amabhutsu, kwalandela immense, kwalandela in everything grows. Mntasekhaya angaza kubeka isandla phuma. Number 2, ungizwe kahle bhuti. Yabona mfowethu kungaze kufike into ngaphakathi kwena uma ecasula lo wesifazana ngoba acasulana. Uma ecasula kungaze kuvela into ethi mshaye miyeke. Ngoluhlukane naye.
Ngoba one day uzoyifaka impama.
Uzwe because ungizwe kahle mabunda mfowethu. Oh man. Okay. He says vala sesigoduko. Ungizwe kahle bhuti.
Yes sir.
Why am I saying ukuthi a man should leave a woman makufika into ethi mshaye?
Sure.
Awushuthi uyakhulula miyeke.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm saying this thing, ma umiyeka you are too powerful.
Kunokuthi uhlala
entertain.
Hey,
because uma umiyeka bazodibana nayo ntanga zakhe.
Hey.
Because but then take to emotional intelligent.
Yes sir.
Shothi ngihlakaniphile ungidlula wena.
Yes sir.
Sometimes akusho ukuthi njoba uthulile usilima.
Yes sir.
Awusona isilima.
Yes sir. Akuzwa mina bhuti.
Ngicela.
Akuzwa bhuti.
Mina
ngicela ukuyivala ngalendlela because uthinte something engakhona ukudlula kiyo.
Sure.
I want to say this thing. What you don't address grows. Lezi zinto ezincane azenzayo ongazithandi mawungazikhuzi zisaseyincane kanjalo, the days yokhula ziyokuhlula. So anything that you see in a relationship, whether it's a relationship, it's friendship, it's brotherhood, engakuphathi kahle, address it with wisdom.
Sure.
Because if you do not address it, it will grow.
It will kill you.
Madoda anakazisimuzi. Santhanda.
Amen.
Amen.